Hey everyone, back with a new video today. I ended up buying myself another set of wheels. Didn't need them, wanted them. I'll open the garage real quick, like I always do. So, show these new wheels real quick. Still in the box, just here. They're from Up Garage, so you know they got the JDM goodness. But I've been wanting these wheels. I've actually had a set before. I've been wanting them for a while since I got rid of my last ones. And I got a set of BBS LMs. They're in pretty good nick. A couple of scratches along them and whatnot on the faces, but for the most of it, the barrels are in perfect condition. So the plan today is to take them out in the Pulsar, because they won't fit in here, and get some tyres mounted. I think I'm going like a 215 45 at the front and a 225 45 at the rear. They're 17x7 front, 17x8 rears, and I think the offsets are 42 and 45. Can't really remember, but I'll show you when I pull them out. So I'm gonna move this car back and start unloading them into there. I'll take them out of the boxes because I reckon they won't fit, but we'll see what works. Alright, so I got two fronts in the front and the two rears in the rears. I thought they had the BBS cap still on them, but I've just noticed that one's actually missing one. I was sold and I was told they were all on here, so that's a bummer. I need to buy some more, but I got a couple of rubber caps I'll just put on there for now. And this is the worst of the gutter rash. So yeah, pretty good condition. Stoked they have the center caps, and stoked they're from Up Garage. Alright, so like I said before, got the tyres in the back. I'm gonna head to the tyre shop now and get these tyres fitted. So I'll update you when that's all done. Alright, so I just made it to the local tyre power. I'm not going to film the process or anything, so I don't really know anyone in there. It's a bit weird, but yeah, won't be too long. So I'm going to put them back in the car after they're done. I'll take them home, and I think I will put them on the car. I wasn't going to today. I was going to save that for tomorrow, but I'll get them on today, and I'll show you guys what they all look like. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, back home now. We're all good. Oh, they look so sick. So stoked on them. Anyway, I'll back this thing out a bit. There's no room to work on the car in here. And I'll put the tyres on out there. Right, thought this would be super easy to put these on, just fucking changing a pair of wheels over, but because I have the 30mm spacers, this in here is actually hitting on the rim, not allowing it to go all the way up against the hub. So I'm either to take these spacers off or check my 20mm spacers to see if they actually fit inside. But you get the gist of it. Gonna have to put the Medinas back on and then fuck around with these BBSs to get them on. Alright, so basically end of the video, the 30mm spacers, the center bore of them end up hitting just there. So I might need to get these either bored out a bit further, take the spacers off, maybe the 20mm will fit just because, say, the center hub is fitting maybe like 10mm. If I move back down to a 20mm, that might take off that little difference. But yeah, these wheels are getting harder and harder to find, especially genuine ones. Super stoked on them. Just got to mess around and get them to fit properly. As well, I ended up going a 215 45 17 on the fronts, and I went a 225 45 17 for the rears. Pretty meaty. Once I get them on, car's gonna look sick. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bit of a mess around trying to get it all sorted. Hopefully within the next week I'll have more on and I'll show you what it looks like. So see you in the next one.